You do? What's going on, everyone? Welcome to Texas Honda Channel. If you're new here, definitely consider subscribing. It's kind of windy today, so hopefully the mic being covered will help because it's like super windy. But today we're going to be getting these 16x8 wheels and these new tires mounted. Got them off eBay. I'll leave a link in the description. Really nice design. Zero offset, and these tires right here, let's see, they're 245 75/16s. Got a nice good meaty bite on them. It'll be great for when we take this thing off-road. So we're going to take this to the alignment shop where I got my alignment done on the EM2. It's called Fast Lane here in Copperas Cove, and they do a really good job. So they also mount tires there, so I'll just have them mount them and balance them, put them on the car, and have them do the alignment. So I'm going to go ahead and get these loaded up in the Pilot, and I'm going to head over there. Okay, got it all loaded up. Had to use the roof rack on two of them and ratchet strap it down, but they're nice and secure up there. Then we've got the other two tires back here, all four wheels and the center caps. So we should be good to go. So now we're gonna head to Fast Lane and let them do their thing. This thing rides so good since doing all the suspension. I can't wait to get this alignment done and get these wheels and tires on. The plane's really low and huge. But yeah, this thing's been really reliable for us, so I'm super happy with how everything's turning out on this, and the green car's turning out real great too. But once this is done, we will definitely have to take it off-road. Okay, so the front is rubbing the caliper, so we have to go get a little bit of a spacer. So we're gonna go, I have Matt here in the Turbo Civic, and yeah, so we're gonna go to O'Reilly's real quick, see if we can find some spacers for this. Thing sounds so good. Thanks. Totally name your car Cove because it's sick.
This Honda X-City was trying to pull.
He's trying to race.
That's funny. Yeah.
Okay, so I went into O'Reilly's here. So these should work, hopefully. We're gonna head back to Fast Lane and find out. Here's with the spacer on. You can definitely see that it'll push it out. Shouldn't be rubbing no more. Rubbing a little bit. Just a hair. You can see it's real close. Got it back on the road. Drives so much better. There goes Matt. I am sitting up a little bit taller. I like that. We're probably going to throw a lift on it just to give it a little bit more clearance between the tires, but awesome job. Fast Lane always does a really good job here in Copperas Cove, so if you guys are in the Central Texas area, definitely hit them up. They're pretty fair priced, and their alignment's super nice. They do a good job the first time. Doesn't need to go back like most places I've had to go to. But I'm on the way back to the house now so I can get the wheels and tires off of the roof rack, and then we'll go over some stuff. So here we So yeah, it definitely looks way more aggressive. I really like how this looks. I got that meaty tire. Now we do have some clearance issues, as you can see. This is pretty close. It is rubbing on the other side, just barely whenever I turn. This side's not doing it, but the other side does it a little bit. So it's just this little piece of plastic in here, which is actually flapping, so it's probably, I tighten that down or just remove it, cut right there, just remove that little part, it should be perfectly fine. Got clearance in the back, but lifting it up a little bit will help just a little bit. Definitely nice setup. So I'm gonna go ahead and get all this stuff off and remove it out of the inside. So what do you guys think?
I think they're cool.
It looks better?
Yeah.
I like it.
It's literally like this extra thick.
Yeah, it does stick out a little bit, huh? It's that zero offset. Sorry about the wind, guys. I know it's kind of windy. Got the little helpers getting the wheels up here. They heavy?
Kind of.
Yeah.
It is heavy.
Here. Now I gotta get the other ones off the top of the pilot. Then we can get them all in here. Good job. Yep, I'm recording. Say hi. No, put them over there. Emma decided she was gonna help, right? Watch out, this one has a lot of grease in there. I need to do a CV axle soon. It's messy, but awesome.
Really love this tire.
You do? You love the pilot? You like how it looks now? What about you guys?
I think it's super good. I think it's better than it was before with the old tire.
Yeah, we're gonna have to take it off-road, huh?
Yeah. Especially since it has these 2 extra fog lights.
Yep.
It looks even cooler, more off-road.
Definitely looks sweet. But yeah, the kids like it. My wife likes it. I love it. I do have to figure out what it's rubbing on in here because it does rub when you turn, but it's pretty good. It's definitely a more comfortable ride than what it was. And now that we got that done, we're gonna get the supercharger on soon, which I can't wait for that. Just got to get in the adapter plate. It's about $500 from prank.com, I believe, is who sells it and makes it. But basically, the adapter plate adapts to it, and then comes with an adapter plate for the throttle body to use the factory Honda Pilot throttle body on it. So that's really cool. Then we just got to figure out the belt system. Obviously, I'm gonna have to do something with the tune, but there are a couple options. We can run an FMU for the time being to bump the fuel pressure up for every 1 PSI it sees. Obviously use 93 octane to keep it from detonating. And yeah, should be fun. Can't wait to see how this Pilot turns out with everything done to it. We still have more stuff. I got to get the rear mount installed, rear engine mount. And I have 6 new coil packs coming for it, and the exhaust most definitely needs redone. It's absolute garbage. Look at this little video clip right here. You can see how crappy the exhaust really is. It was even leaking moisture out of the bottom of the exhaust where clearly there's a hole. So that whole thing's gonna get redone, bigger piping. It looks so much better. Probably run some vibrant muffler and resonators, make it sound real clean. But definitely more stuff to come. If you guys haven't checked out my other Honda Pilot videos, I made a playlist. You can watch them all. But Casey's over here looking like a weirdo. But yeah, I'm gonna take this thing out soon, and we got the coupler fixed and we got the boost turned up. Now it's not spiking as high, so we'll definitely be taking this out again and doing a pool video for you guys soon. So definitely stay tuned. Also, yes, this is Casey's Z6 now, so he's gonna be building it for, you know, the sleeper Civic out there, which definitely needs some work. And this is
First, suspension.
yes, suspension's definitely first. It's more important. I mean, obviously the engine's important, but suspension's way more important right now than the engine, as your engine runs fine. But yeah, so definitely subscribe. Stay tuned, guys, because there will definitely be more stuff on this channel. If you're new here, every Monday and Friday I upload, and I try to drop some in between Monday and Friday, sometimes on a weekend, sometimes on a weekday, but definitely come back and check out some more of my videos and check out my playlist. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, hit the like button, drop a comment below, share the video on social media and with your friends and family, and I'll see you guys in the next one. As I like to say, God bless, stay safe, stay awesome.